So you want to take your bike with you on your next vacation, but you're not sure what to look for. Choosing a bike bag case involves understanding your own preferences and deciding what trade-offs you're willing to make between the factors that matter most to you. So here's what to consider to help you sort out your thoughts when making a bike bag purchase that fits with your desires and budget. Bike cases cater to different styles of riding and bike sizes. Which bikes do you want to travel with? Measure your bicycle carefully to ensure you get a case that can accommodate its dimensions. For mountain bike owners, maybe choose a case with extra space for larger tires and wider forks. If you have a folding bike, you could opt for a bike bag that's half the size. Maybe you want to future-proof it and have the ability to carry multiple types of bikes, like a mountain bike or a road bike. Either way, each of these cases come in various sizes and features that you might want to think about when it comes to lugging it from point A to B on trains, airplanes, and in cars. Protection is of utmost priority, especially when your bike will be handled by others during travel and transport. Bike cases come in a spectrum of structural rigidity, ranging from hard, soft, in between, and even cardboard. Here's a breakdown of the types of case protection offered. Hard cases offer the maximum protection by being made of tough plastic or composite materials to fully enclose and protect the bike. There are varying degrees of rigidity within hard cases, ranging from heavy-duty models with reinforced structures to lighter hardshell designs. Cases in the latter category are on the pricier side, and they typically require less disassembly. The downside is that it is bulky and takes up space when not in use. Soft cases are on the lower end of the rigidity spectrum, being made from fabrics and lightweight padding that can be folded or compressed when not in use. Soft cases range from lightly padded bags to heavily padded cases with sturdy internal frame supports for added rigidity. These cases provide less protection overall, but they are more cost efficient and often take up less storage space. Semi-rigid or hybrid cases fall somewhere in between hard and soft cases, featuring a rigid frame or panels and thick foam padding combined with flexible fabric sections. Semi-rigid cases strike a nice balance, providing better protection than soft cases while being more lightweight than hard, rigid cases. Using a cardboard box is probably the most cost-efficient way to ship a bike. Oftentimes, bike shops carry an abundance of boxes for their inventory, so it's worth asking if they have any extra lying around. You would disassemble your bike as much as needed, stuff your gear into the box, add frame protection, tape it up, and you're good to go for basic shipping protection. Of course, the downside to that is it is bulky and a little bit challenging to carry around. Depending on your preferred bike box, each will have some sort of bike disassembly requirement. Some cases literally just require removing the wheels and fitting a chain around a bar. No handlebar twisting or unscrewing. If low disassembly and hassle-free is more your style, consider cases on the larger side. The softer the case oftentimes means it's more involved in the disassembly process. For example, you may be required to remove fork, handlebars, seat posts, rotors, wheels, etc. That might be too involved for some people, but the upside is the more parts you remove, the more compact your luggage will be. So if you want a case for maximum portability and storage efficiency, be prepared for extensive disassembly. If you're traveling through airports, train stations, and frequently loading luggage into cars, consider a bag with convenient features like 2+ wheels, bike pack straps, and multiple handles around the case. When it comes to cardboard boxes, portability ranks low as they are often used as one-time solution where you assemble the bike at the airport and then discard the box. On trips that fly into point A and fly out of point B, cyclists sometimes end their journey near a bike shop that has a cardboard box available to ship or bring back with them to the airport, so there's no need to worry about where to store a bike bag. If you have ample storage space and the budget for a more protective case, I could see a large hard case being ideal. If space is a premium in your home, account for storage needs and maybe opt for a semi-rigid to soft option. You can find cases at very low and very high price points, from nearly free cardboard boxes to over $1,000 hard cases. The bike bag market has gotten pretty creative with integrated features to make the cost worthwhile. For example, there's a bike bag that comes with a built-in repair stand. Some use heavy-duty wheels or even rollerblade wheels. Others include frame protection padding. The airline fees matter to you. then consider a more compact, lighter case that can be normally checked in with lower to no fees. Another way to save money and storage space is to make friends with people who have traveled with a bike bag and borrow theirs. I chose my post-carry bag mostly based on form factor, portability, and price. It fits my road and gravel bike nicely, and I live in a place with no garage, so space is a premium. Getting a bag that folds up when not in use was a high priority. I wanted to pay as little as possible at the airport, so I opted for something smaller. And because it was small, it served as a forcing function to level up my bike mechanic skills. I also travel with my bike by myself, so I felt like I needed to be capable of carrying this 50-pound bag plus my luggage alone. It fits nicely in 100% of the cars I've encountered abroad. Having wheels was a plus as well. I couldn't justify paying $1,000 for a bike bag that I'd use a couple times a year that would take up half a closet. So I chose a semi-rigid bike bag that offered the right balance of protection and convenience, meeting all my needs without breaking the bank. Now, if I were to design my own bike bag, it would fit either a mountain bike or road bike, be a lightweight, inconspicuous hard case that can somehow origami down to 1/3 of its size, and have a standard form factor that allows me to easily carry it from multiple angles. This means comfortable handles all around, 3 to 4 wheels, and an ingeniously integrated bike stand. I'd like room to store my cycling accessories and tools as well. Even if I had a large place, I'd probably still go for a more compact bag. Anyway, there are inevitably going to be trade-offs that come with getting a case, whether it comes down to level of protection, size, ease of use, and minimal disassembly. Which factors do you rate the most to least important that fit within your budget? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye!